Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and as I have repeated in many of the videos before the start of today's discussion, I would repeat that again. That is, do get yourself registered for vaccination, and whichever nearest locality vaccine is available, do get yourself registered and get yourself vaccinated. And as the cyclone is going to hit in our coastal district, whosoever watching me in the coastal district, do take adequate precaution. Do not venture outside. Stay at home and do all the precautions for cyclone. And apart from that, for my new YouTube subscribers who have recently subscribed to our channel, for informing them, we have started a dedicated test series. Just like this Master Key test series. We are providing 40 high quality GS paper 1 sets for 599 rupees. Many of the YouTube subscribers have already taken admission in our test series. Do join in and clear the prelim easily. So with our CSAT classes, and if you will combine with the test series, it will be a deadly combination for success in OPSC Prelim Examination 2020. So without delay, say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoyi27@gmail.com. Sample copy you can also download it from the description, the link given in the description box, and I will put my email address in the description, as well as you can find it from the about section. Today we will be discussing very important discussion regarding the pie chart. In OPSC examination, they are also giving pie charts so that you can find out what is the answer, and you have to bag all whatever questions come from the pie chart. You supposed to be scoring 100%. They are asking very easy questions. You supposed to be scoring 100% in those questions. It is going to be very helpful for cracking your CSAT paper easily. What is it given? You can see they have given the pie chart. Pie chart means they have given in a circle. You know what is the degree of circle. If you will add all this, you will get 360 degree. Total angle of a circle is 360 degree, remember it. And they have divided into 4 segments. In miscellaneous section it is 43.2 degrees. In bricks you can see 36 degrees. In labor 90 degrees. In cement you see 72 degrees. In steel you see 64.8 degree. And finally timber it is 54 degree. It is simple in the sense, whenever they are giving this kind of a question, you supposed to be easily cracking it. You have to, if they will be telling you find out the percentage of cement, if they will be asking, they will be giving you a sum. If the entire sum is 1 crore, 4 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore, whatever it is, first you have to convert these figures, angle figures, into percentage. How will you do that? 72 degree divided by 360 degree into 100. Simple formula. It applicable to all the others. Like if you will have to find out from the labor, how will you find out? 90 degree divided by 360 again into 100 and multiplied by 100. You will get the percentage for labor. Then what you will get from the bricks? Same. 36 degree divided by 360 degree into 100 multiplied by 100, you get the percentage in bricks. Then how will you find miscellaneous? That is 43.2 degree divided by 360 degree into 100. You will get the miscellaneous segment. What is it? Is percentage expenditure. Same goes with timber. That is 54 degree divided by 360 degree into 100. Then steel 64.8 into divided by 360 into 100. I have told you all the things so that it is totally clear in your mind. You not only this 4 questions, you can frame question from the given segment. You can frame the question, okay, now from this to this, from this to this, from this to this, from this to this. You can frame your question. Not only 4 questions, they have only given 4 questions, but you can increase the number of questions by applying the formula I have given you. Whatever the angle given, divided by 360 into 100. You will get the figure of percentage. Then, basing on the percentage, whatever the amount given, you have to deduct. You have to do the rest of the division work. Then, what is the first question they have asked? They have asked the first question, that is, if a total amount spent on construction of house is 4 crores, remember 4 crores, what is spent on bricks? What is spent on bricks? The opening question is this. Is it A 4 lakhs? Is it B 40 lakhs? Is it C 1 crore? Is it D none of this? What is the answer? You can see the amount spent. I have already told you how to find out the percentage. Percentage 36 degree. It is given bricks is 36 degree. We have taken 36 divided by 360. That is the total angle of a circle. Then into 100. That makes 10%. What is the percentage of bricks? That is only 10%. Now 10% of 4 crore. You know, simple formula, divided by 10, you get 40 lakhs. Here 40 lakh is the answer. What is the answer? Answer is B 40 lakh. How will you reach at the conclusion of answer? That is 4 crore divided by 10%. 10%, then you get 40 lakh. If you will add 40 lakh into 10, you get 4 crore. Okay. Now coming to the second question. If the total amount spent on construction of the house is 1 crore, they have changed the question. Initial first question they have given 4 crore. Now in this second question they are telling the total expenditure is 1 crore. You have to do the calculation from 1 crore. Find the excess amount spent on cement as compared to steel. Find the excess amount in cement in comparison to steel. You can see cement is 72 and steel is 64.8 degree. Then you have to find out amount spent on cement in percent. As I have told you before the start of today's discussion, whatever, how will you convert? 72 divided by 360 into 10. 72 divided by 360, angle of total angle of circle, into 100. I got 20%. Now coming to amount spent on steel in percentage, you see steel is 64.8. 64.8 divided by 360 into 100. You get 18%. You see the difference. Difference is 2%. What is the 2% of 1 crore? Simple. 2 lakhs. What is the excess? 2% of 1 crore is 2 lakhs. So the answer here is C. C is the answer, 2 lakh. I hope you are getting the discussion. Discussion is very simple. First convert that into percentage and then see what is the amount given and what is the percentage, and you get the total amount spent on that particular aspect. Now coming to the next one, the ratio of expenditure between bricks in cement is it A 1. These are the options. Now simple formula which I have already given, applicable to all. Then find out 36 divided by 360 into 100. That is 10%. Cement, you can see 36, bricks is 36. You can see bricks is 36 divided by 360 into 100. You get 10%. Now cement, you can see cement is 72. 72 is divided by 360 into 100. You get 20%. Now as per the question given, what we have to find out? We have to find out ratio of expenditure between bricks to cement. We have to find out ratio of the expenditure between bricks to cement. Bricks to cement, that is 36 to 72. That is 10% to 72. That is 1:2. But instead of doing this, you can also apply the simple formula. Here it is 36. Here it is 72. What is the ratio? 1:2. Within 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, without calculating this percentage, you can also, I am giving you the short tip and trick. Sometimes even this small tips and tricks can give you easily marks without doing this tidy calculation. I know this is a traditional method you are supposed to be following. If there is a big thing, then you can follow the normal traditional method. But this kind of a simple easy question, you can see 36, it is 72. What is the ratio? 1:2. Then coming to the next one, what is the difference in percentage of expenditure in cement and labor? You can see cement as well as in the labor. See, you have to find out, as I have already given you the formula. 72 divided by 360 into 100, you get 20%. Here 72 is 20%. For labor, you see 90 divided by 360 into 100. Labor, you get 25%. Now the difference in percentage of expenditure in cement and labor, you got here, it is 20%, it is 25%. What is the difference? 5% is the difference. So what is the, here it is, I have not marked that. What is the difference? You see 5%. 5% is the answer. That is B is the answer. These were the only 4 questions they have given. Now for your homework I am giving you, let me know in the comment box, what is the difference? What is the difference in percentage between timber and cement? Between timber and cement. Let me know in the comment box, what is the difference in percentage between timber and cement? What is the difference of this percentage between timber and labor? Timber and labor, what is the difference? What is the ratio of percentage between labor and bricks? You have to find out and let me know in the comment box. Let me check how many of you are sincerely, very sincere about cracking the OPSC prelim examination. Do take care of yourself as well as your loved ones, and do not venture outside in this corona times. Get yourself vaccinated, and all those coastal places, who all are living in the coastal places, do take adequate precaution. Thank you very much.